Have you ever wondered if the Vivid app is truly free? We've all seen those flashy ads, promising a world of vibrant colors and stunning visuals. But is it really worth it, and most importantly, does it come with a price tag? Let's dive in and uncover the truth about the Vivid app. One of the first things you'll notice when you download the Vivid app is the enticing free trial. It's a great way to experience the app's features without committing to a subscription. However, it's important to understand that this free trial is just a taste of what the app has to offer. Once the trial period ends, you'll need to subscribe to continue using the app's full functionality. The subscription options. So, what are the subscription options? Well, Vivid offers a few different plans to cater to various needs and budgets. There's the monthly subscription, which gives you access to all the app's features for a recurring fee. For those who want to save some money, the annual subscription is a more cost-effective option. Additionally, Vivid may offer limited-time promotions or discounts, so it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for deals. What do you get with a subscription? Now, let's talk about what you can expect when you subscribe to Vivid. The app offers a wide range of features, including colorization. Vivid's flagship feature allows you to add vibrant colors to black and white photos. Restoration. You can use the app to restore old, faded photos and bring them back to life. Editing tools. Vivid provides a variety of editing tools to enhance your photos, such as filters, adjustments, and effects. AI-powered features. The app leverages AI technology to analyze your photos and suggest appropriate enhancements. Is it worth the cost? The question of whether Vivid is worth the cost is subjective and depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a photography enthusiast who loves to experiment with colors and effects, the app might be a great investment. However, if you're simply looking for a quick and easy way to colorize a few photos, the free trial might suffice. To summarize, the Vivid app is not entirely free. While you can enjoy a free trial, you'll need to subscribe to continue using the app's full features. The subscription plans vary in terms of cost and duration, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your budget and usage habits. Ultimately, whether Vivid is worth the cost is a personal decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.